Hello all, I'm Amy from Black River Reptile and Exotic Creations, and there goes Nico, one of my dogs. And this is the view from my backyard. It's not the neatest backyard, but it's home. There's a old trampoline that needs tore down. Insurance companies told us as much. And old tire swing that the kids used to play on. And back there behind us is my mom's house. My father passed away a year ago, January, from COVID. And I was going to tell you about a little project I'm working on. It is going to be a rat cage for the weaned rats that I want to bring into the house to start handling them and getting them acclimated to people. That's the back of my house. It needs a good power washing. Just ignore that. But this is my project. I picked this up at a flea market. It is a handmade bird cage, or was, and I'm turning it into a rat cage. It was completely covered in screen, and I've been tearing all the screen off of it and plan on replacing that with a wire mesh that the rats will be able to climb on, except for here on the back side. I'm going to just put a piece of plywood. I'll show you here what the screen looked like, and it's definitely dirty, needs a good cleaning up. And here's the screen. And here in the center sections, it had this plastic paper-like material covered with screen. I guess they used it as a divider to make it 3 separate sections for their birds. I'm going to put trays in the bottom that will come out, be able to slide out, and back in, that I'll fill up with their bedding. And hopefully I can get this done in the next few months. I'm a full-time RN, so my projects take me a little while to get accomplished. This is my part-time job, and Black River Reptile and Exotics is kind of a hobby job for me, hobby business. I'm hoping to eventually turn it into a 501c3 or a not-for-profit business for animal rescues, reptile and exotic animal rescues. But as you can see, I've got a lot of work to do here on this still, and I'll try to keep you updated on it as I get more done on it. Meet Steve. He's one of my pet rats, and I have him out for a little exercise today, and little treats with some peanuts. He's running around and playing in this small animal tunnel that I've created. If you all didn't know, you can feed your rats peanuts, only as treats, and they do need to be cooked peanuts, unsalted. Here's a better look at the animal tunnel. This one's Avengers. Steve enjoys hiding in there with his treat. There we can get a peek at him. He's so cute eating his little peanut. They're funny. They will crack into one side of a double peanut like that and get one of the peanuts out, and we'll leave the other one and move on to another one if you are giving them more than one. Just like you did with that one. Only took one of the two peanuts out of the shell.